What's up, guys? It's Mateo. Making this video about my LED light fixture because it's taking me way too long to get this out. I think I told you guys I'd get it out like a month ago, but just haven't been able to do it, so I'm finally putting in the work tonight and doing it. This light fixture is put out by BeamsWork, and when I was researching light fixtures, it got a little confusing because there's a company that's called BeamsWork, and then there's a company called BeamWorks, and they're like two totally different things. They sell almost the same product, but the products themselves are different and the companies themselves are different. So when you're doing your research, make sure you know which one you're looking at and what the differences are. I'd state the differences, but I can't fully remember since it's been like 2 months, 3 months. I do know one of the differences is the BeamsWork, the one that I got, the LEDs are 6700K, the color temperature, and I believe the BeamWorks color temperature was 10,000K. So that was like a huge difference for me, obviously because I have some plants in the tank that I have this on. So do your research and don't skip over little things. Take a look at the box real quick. I did get this off of eBay. It's very similar. It's a very similar product to what a lot of people are familiar with. The company AquaTraders, the website AquaTraders that sells the Odyssey lights for aquariums. They sell metal halides, they sell T5s, they sell LEDs. They sell LED that's almost identical to this, literally almost identical. The only reason I went with eBay over the other website that I just mentioned, AquaTraders, was because this one was cheaper. That's the only difference. So what I got was, it's called the BeamsWork LED 200. 200 stands for lumens. It has 33 LEDs putting out 200 lumens. This is the smallest light fixture the smallest LED light fixture that was available in this model. It is 11 inches and it can spread apart to accommodate up to 17 inches. Some of the other ones they have in their line are my camera work has gotten a little rusty since I don't make as many videos. Some of the other models they have in their line is 300 lumens with 54 LEDs, 400 with 78, and then the big boy is 600 lumens with 129 LEDs. So if this review is generally going to be good for all of those models. They're all built the same, they all have the same exact LEDs on them. The only difference is going to be mine's the smallest one. So you can go ahead and use this review for those models as well. So enough with the box. This is the tank that the light currently sits on. It's a 8-gallon nano cube, and you can see it lights it up just fine. Shimmer effect on the water, coming off the water. This light has two modes. It has daytime mode, what you see here, and then a LED, a blue LED nighttime mode, which is going to be hard to kind of view, but it has one as well. The light itself is made up of a plastic up on top here, with a plastic on the sides. The arms are metal legs, if you want to call it that, and they slide in and out. These will slide in and out. It's very similar to my other review that I did on the Odyssey. They're built the same exact way. You got your button over here. You have your power connector over there. You can see the LEDs and the reflection without blinding you. You got all the white ones, and then you got a blue one to your left, blue one in the middle, and blue one to your right. And yeah, so oh shit. Yeah, I've actually dropped this thing fully in the water before, and it still works. So that could be another little testimonial for BeamsWork. Is it's sealed pretty well up in the joints there, because I've fully dropped this thing in and then just like toweled it down and made it dry, and it still worked. So they must be doing something right there. So that's gonna be my light review. Sorry if it wasn't everything you've been waiting for, but that's about it. Alright, late.